Hey guys, it's Monday morning, I think. I don't know what day it is. And we're in Williams, Arizona, and it's starting to snow a little bit. Let's switch the camera around. You can see a beautiful backdrop over there. But it's starting to flurry a little bit. It's hard to tell on the camera, but it's barely there. So time to hit the road. You're gonna head towards Tulsa. So I'm gonna fire up the O-rig and hit the road again in the snow, light snow, so no big deal. Hey guys, so it was snowing very lightly, but I used a little Final Cut Pro trick to make it snow more. If you check the very end of that video, it started snowing really hard, and you see I do it. There's this little thing here I use. It's called Snow Overlay. It's a trick. I tricked you. Pretty cool, huh? So why don't I just make it snow in the RV? Okay, let it snow.